1. 1931 Hudson Essex Rat Rod. Price, $30,000. Located Livingston, Tennessee. This 1931 Hudson Essex Rat Rod is a bold and aggressive custom build that perfectly captures the raw attitude of traditional rat rod culture. Featuring a chopped body design, this vehicle stands out with its low, mean stance and unmistakable vintage presence. Built to turn heads wherever it goes, this Essex is not just a car but a statement piece that blends pre-war styling with high-performance modifications. Under the hood, this rat rod is powered by a massive 454 cubic inch V8 engine, delivering serious horsepower and torque for an exhilarating driving experience. The engine is paired with an automatic transmission, allowing for smooth operation while still maintaining the car's wild performance character. This combination ensures the vehicle is both powerful and relatively easy to drive compared to older manual setups. One of the standout features of this build is its air ride suspension system, which allows the driver to adjust ride height for both comfort and dramatic visual effect. Whether sitting low at a show or raised for driving, the system adds versatility and style. The overall condition is described as good, with the vehicle running and driving as expected. This Hudson Essex is ideal for enthusiasts seeking a unique, head-turning hot rod with serious performance and attitude, making it a standout addition to any custom car collection. 2. 1934 Ford 3-Window Coupe. Price, $38,500. Located Brownsburg, Indiana. This 1934 Ford 3-Window Coupe is a beautifully styled custom hot rod that blends classic design with modern convenience features, making it an excellent choice for enthusiasts seeking both comfort and performance. Built with a fiberglass body, this coupe maintains the iconic lines of the legendary 1934 Ford while benefiting from reduced weight and improved durability. Its overall condition is described as like new, presenting a clean and well-maintained appearance ideal for cruising or car shows. Under the hood, this coupe is powered by a small block Chevrolet engine, delivering reliable performance and strong power output. Paired with an automatic transmission, the car offers smooth and effortless driving, making it suitable for both experienced collectors and newcomers to the hot rod scene. With only 6,630 miles showing on the odometer, this vehicle reflects light usage and careful ownership. This hot rod is equipped with modern features such as power windows, door poppers, and a motorized trunk, adding convenience while maintaining its custom appeal. Weld racing wheels enhance both performance and visual presence, giving the car a strong stance on the road. With its combination of style, power, and usability, this 1934 Ford Coupe is a standout cruiser ready to be enjoyed. 3. 1951 Ford F-150 Custom Panel Truck. Price, $11,000. Located Columbus, Ohio. This 1951 Ford F-150 Custom Panel Truck is a unique and versatile classic that has been modified to deliver strong performance and everyday usability. Finished in a blue exterior with a gray interior, this custom build stands apart from traditional trucks, offering a distinctive look and practical design. With approximately 5,000 miles recorded, the vehicle reflects relatively low usage since its modifications. At the heart of this build is a freshly installed big block 454 cubic inch V8 engine, providing impressive power and torque. The engine is paired with an automatic transmission, ensuring smooth operation and making the truck easy to drive. Additional upgrades include front disc brakes, improving stopping performance and overall safety compared to original systems. This custom panel truck also features a sunroof, adding an extra level of comfort and style. It is described as running and driving well, making it a usable classic that can be enjoyed immediately. Some minor work may be needed, such as addressing the door glass and a small electrical issue affecting the headlights, but these do not take away from its overall appeal. With a clean title and solid mechanical setup, this 1951 Ford offers a great opportunity for enthusiasts seeking a powerful and distinctive classic truck. 4. 1933 Ford Roadster Hot Rod. Price, $30,000. Located Waterford, Wisconsin. This 1933 Ford Roadster Hot Rod is a high-performance custom build that combines classic styling with top-tier components, making it a serious contender in the world of street and strip machines. Modeled as a Factory 5 build, this Roadster features a sleek and aggressive design that captures the spirit of early hot rods while incorporating modern engineering for enhanced performance and reliability. Powering this Roadster is a 347 cubic inch small block Ford Stroker engine, equipped with AFR heads and a full roller setup. This high-quality engine delivers strong horsepower and responsive performance, making the car both fast and thrilling to drive. It is paired with a Powerglide transmission featuring a trans brake, further emphasizing its drag racing capabilities. Additional performance upgrades include Wilwood brakes for improved stopping power and billet wheels that enhance both appearance and handling. The car also includes a hood and is built with top-of-the-line components throughout, ensuring durability and performance consistency. This 1933 Ford Roadster is described as a firm price offering, reflecting the quality of the build and the premium parts used. It is an excellent choice for enthusiasts seeking a powerful and well-crafted hot rod with serious performance credentials. 5. 1932 Street Rod Pickup. Price: $36,000. Located Climax, Michigan. This 1932 Street Rod Pickup is a classic hot rod build that combines traditional steel body construction with practical performance upgrades, making it a solid choice for enthusiasts who appreciate both originality and drivability. Featuring an all-steel body, this pickup maintains the authentic feel and durability that many collectors look for in early hot rods, while still offering the flexibility for further customization if desired. Under the hood, the vehicle is powered by a 327 cubic inch V8 engine, a well-known and reliable power plant that delivers smooth performance and a balanced mix of power and efficiency. The engine setup provides enough strength for enjoyable cruising while remaining manageable for regular street use. The vehicle holds a clean title, adding confidence for buyers seeking a straightforward and secure purchase. This street rod is described as being in good condition overall, though it does have a minor antifreeze leak that may require attention. Despite this, it remains a running and usable vehicle that can be driven while improvements are made over time. Its simple mechanical setup also makes it easier to maintain and modify. With its classic styling, solid foundation, and dependable V8 power, this 1932 Street Rod Pickup is a great opportunity for anyone looking to own and personalize a vintage hot rod. 6. 1932 Ford 3-Window Coupe. Price: $49,500. Located Muncie, Indiana. This 1932 Ford 3-Window Coupe is a high-end custom hot rod that combines iconic styling with modern engineering, making it an exceptional choice for enthusiasts who value both performance and comfort. Built using a Gibbons fiberglass body, this coupe maintains the timeless look of the original 1932 Ford while benefiting from improved fit, finish, and durability. The car sits on a TCI chassis, providing a strong and stable foundation designed to handle increased power and deliver a smooth driving experience. Under the hood, this coupe is powered by a 454 cubic inch V8 engine, offering impressive horsepower and strong torque for both street cruising and spirited driving. It is paired with a 5-speed Richmond manual transmission, giving the driver full control and an engaging driving feel. The drivetrain is further supported by a Ford 9-inch rear end with 3.00 gears, ensuring durability and efficient power delivery. Additional features include air conditioning for comfort, stainless exhaust components, and chrome suspension elements that enhance both performance and appearance. This car is built to be driven anywhere with confidence, making it a complete package for those seeking a reliable and stylish hot rod. 7. 1930 Ford GT Roadster. Price: $38,500. Located Perrysburg, Ohio. This 1930 Ford GT Roadster is a beautifully built all-steel hot rod that combines classic styling with modern performance upgrades. Finished in a rich burgundy exterior, this Roadster presents a clean and eye-catching appearance that reflects careful ownership and attention to detail. With approximately 1,200 miles recorded, the car has seen limited use and remains in excellent driving condition. Powering this roadster is a 350 cubic inch Chevrolet V8 engine, delivering strong and reliable performance. The engine is paired with an automatic transmission, providing smooth shifting and making the car easy to drive in a variety of conditions. This setup makes the vehicle ideal for both casual cruising and more spirited driving when desired. The all-steel body construction adds authenticity and durability, while the overall build quality ensures a comfortable and enjoyable ride. The paint is described as being in excellent condition, further enhancing the vehicle's visual appeal. This roadster is designed to be a fun and engaging driver, offering a great balance of classic looks and modern usability. With its strong performance, clean presentation, and solid construction, this 1934 GT Roadster is a great opportunity for anyone looking to own a stylish and reliable hot rod. 8. 1931 Ford Model A Custom Truck. Price, $50,000. Located Allen, Michigan. This 1931 Ford Model A Custom Truck is a highly modified all-steel build that showcases extensive craftsmanship and performance upgrades, making it a standout piece in the world of classic hot rods. Retaining its original steel body, this truck has been enhanced with custom metal fabrication work throughout, giving it a unique and aggressive appearance that sets it apart from standard builds. Under the hood, this truck is powered by a 428 Cobra Jet V8 engine, delivering substantial horsepower and torque for an exciting driving experience. The engine is paired with a 5-speed manual transmission, allowing for precise control and a more engaging connection to the vehicle. Power is transferred through a quick-change rear end, adding both performance flexibility and visual appeal. The suspension system has been fully customized and finished in a striking silver metal flake, highlighting the attention to detail in this build. With approximately 12,345 miles recorded, the vehicle reflects moderate use since completion. This truck is built not only for performance but also for show, making it ideal for enthusiasts who want a unique and powerful custom vehicle. With its combination of craftsmanship, performance, and classic styling, this 1931 Ford Model A truck is a premium hot rod ready to impress. 9. 1932 Ford Model B. Price, $29,000. Located Elkhorn, Wisconsin. This 1932 Ford Model B is a classic pre-war vehicle that combines vintage styling with subtle upgrades, making it an appealing option for enthusiasts seeking a reliable and stylish hot rod. Finished in a blue exterior with a matching blue interior, this car presents a clean and coordinated look that highlights its timeless design. With approximately 16,128 miles recorded, it reflects a well-maintained vehicle that has been preserved for continued enjoyment. Powered by a gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission, this Model B offers a smooth and accessible driving experience compared to original manual configurations. The automatic setup allows for easier operation, making it suitable for both seasoned collectors and newer enthusiasts entering the classic car scene. The vehicle has had multiple owners, yet it remains in good overall condition with a clean title and no significant issues reported. This car stands as a solid driver quality classic, offering a balance between originality and usability. Its simple mechanical setup ensures easier maintenance while still delivering the charm of early Ford engineering. Whether used for weekend cruising or local car shows, this 1932 Ford Model B provides a dependable and enjoyable vintage driving experience. 10. 1934 Ford Coupe Custom Hot Rod. Price, $49,500. Located Troy, Missouri. This 1934 Ford Coupe Custom Hot Rod is a high-performance build that combines classic styling with extreme power, making it a standout in the world of custom street machines. Finished in a striking red exterior with a black interior, this coupe delivers a bold and aggressive appearance that reflects its performance capabilities. With approximately 9,200 miles recorded, it has been lightly driven and well maintained by its single owner. At the heart of this machine is a massive 572 cubic inch big block Chevrolet engine equipped with a 671 blower, producing incredible horsepower and torque. This setup is paired with a turbo 400 automatic transmission, ensuring smooth and reliable power delivery. The drivetrain is supported by a Ford 9-inch rear end with 2.75 gears, providing strength and durability under high-performance conditions. Additional features include 4-wheel disc brakes for improved stopping power, weld wheels for enhanced stance, and a Walker radiator that helps maintain optimal engine temperature. This vehicle is described as very dependable, making it suitable for both cruising and performance driving. It is a powerful and visually striking hot rod built to impress. 11. 1922 Buick Roadster Hot Rod. Price: $19,500. Located Pleasantville, Kentucky. This 1922 Buick Roadster Hot Rod is a professionally built custom vehicle that blends early automotive design with modern performance enhancements. Finished in a vibrant green exterior inspired by Viper snakeskin paint, this Roadster stands out with its unique and eye-catching appearance. The interior features black seating combined with distinctive mahogany wood flooring, adding a custom and high-end touch to the overall design. Under the hood, the vehicle is powered by a small block Chevrolet engine, delivering reliable performance and strong power for a lightweight roadster. The drivetrain is paired with an automatic transmission, providing smooth operation and making the vehicle easy to drive. Built on a modified 1970s Indy-style frame that has been stretched and lowered, the car offers a low stance and improved handling characteristics. Additional features include side exit exhaust for a more aggressive sound and presence on the road. With only 500 miles recorded, this hot rod reflects minimal use since completion. It holds a clean title and is described as having no significant issues. This 1922 Buick Roadster is a unique and stylish custom built perfect for collectors and enthusiasts.